Hello everyone and welcome to Craft Therapy. My name is Victoria and I will show you how to make nice cozy things out of almost nothing. Not only will it give your hands something fun to do, but it will also help you to distress. For those of you who don't relax while doing something with your hands, I recommend just watching. Do you know that watching others work makes you happier? So don't go away. Today we will make a set of pretty mug coasters using ordinary supermarket plastic bags. These coasters will be handy if you own a marble or glass tabletop, which makes it difficult to put down the mug silently. Now you can drink your tea in the middle of the night without waking up all your family. Or you can make up a tea party for your children without worrying they scratch the glass surface.
You will need scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and a G6 or 4mm crochet hook. Since coasters are also a decorative thing, you would probably want them to fit your kitchen or dining room colors. So just pick 3-4 plastic bags of colors that suit your needs most. My kitchen is black and white, so the color doesn't really matter. I picked white bags with green and red spots on them. See how these make a flower-like pattern, which I think is great. First step is to cut the bags to make some plastic yarn, aka blarn. Straighten the bag flat on a table. Fold in half. In half again. And once again. For this project, you need stripes 1 cm wide or 3/8 of an inch. Now, mark the folded bag every 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch till the end. Then cut out the bottom seam and handles. Now cut all your stripes. Divide your stripes into 2 piles while you're cutting, whites and colors. Now let's make our blarn. To do it, connect white or color stripe as you go. Straighten 2 stripes. And insert one end into another one, like this. Then make a simple knot. And tie it slightly. Do not pull it too tight, as the plastic stripe stretches easily. Wind all your blarn onto any suitable cord, or just make a bow. Now, when the yarn is ready, you can start to crochet. Here's the simple circle pattern we will use. Start with 5 chain stitches. And close the loop. First row is to make 10 single crochet stitches in the loop, like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In a second row, we double the number of stitches by doing 2 simple crochets into every stitch of the previous row, which is increase. And in the end, we will have 20 simple crochets. Let's do it. One simple crochet and second one in the same stitch, and again one simple crochet and another one in the same stitch, and we repeat it till the end. Well, we reached the end of the row. Let's start the third row. It is 1 simple stitch, 1 simple crochet in the first stitch, and 2 simple crochets in the next stitch, and then we repeat it till the end. Let's do it. 1 simple crochet and then increase 1 and 2 in the same stitch, and again 1 and 1, 2 in the same stitch, and we continue till the end of the row. That's the end of the third row. For the fourth row, we need to make 1 simple crochet, another 1 simple crochet, and then 2 simple crochets in one stitch of the previous row. So 2 simple crochets and 1 increase, like this. In the end, we will have 40 simple crochets. So 1 simple crochet, another one in the next stitch, and in the next stitch we make 2 simple crochets, which is increase, and we repeat it again and again till the end of the row. The end of the fourth row. I think now you've got an idea how to follow the pattern. Fifth row, 3 simple crochets and 1 increase, that is 2 simple crochets in 1 stitch of the previous row. In the end we will have 50 simple crochets. 1, 2, 3 simple crochets, and then increase 1 and 2 simple stitches in the same stitch of the previous row, and then again 1, 2, 3, and increase 1 and 2. Continue till the end of the row. Here's the end of the 5th row. And for the 6th row, we will make 4 simple crochets and then 1 increase. It will give us 60 simple crochets in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. This is the end of 6th row and the end of our work. As you see, the edge here is not flat, so we will fill it with 2 slip stitches. 1, and 2. You see, now it's even. Now we cut our yarn and we must weave the end. I usually do it like this. I use a crochet hook. I am pulling it through the loops, through the chain loops which are visible on the edge. And then I weave the remainder on the wrong side. Here we are, our coaster is ready. You can finish here or continue for a whole set of 6. Using the same pattern, you can also crochet a bigger circle for the teapot. That would be a very nice set. And please don't forget, this set is not suitable for placing hot pan on it. It will melt immediately. It is only for mugs, glasses, etc.
Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and made your very own coaster set. Please share your project with me in comments below. If you have any questions or suggestions about this tutorial, feel free to comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and click the subscribe button to get notified about my new craft projects. See you next time. Bye bye!